Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up custom commands with the Mee6 bot. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come here to mee6.xyz, and when you're here you're just going to want to click on add to Discord. Now it'll either have you log in or just add it to your Discord server. If you haven't already done so, I've shown you how to do so in a different tutorial, and you're just going to go in and go to your dashboard of the where you have your Mee6 bot on and you want your custom commands. Now you're going to click on this top left section that says custom commands, and in order to use auto roll commands or more complex commands that with custom abilities and stuff like that, you're going to need premium with Mee6, which I do not have, and it's completely different tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to do simple text commands. Now in order to do this, you're just going to want to write the command that you want it to be. So if you want to say !hello is your command, and the bot can respond with this message right here, hey, I'm the Mee6 bot. And you can also have it do many other different things. So like you can have it I send a direct message to a person or in a channel, and you can also have it do randomize different messages and stuff like that. So I'm just going to remove those and just have it set up right there. So you can have a command description, an awesome command that works for me. So everyone with these roles can use this command, and so that means everyone in the server can use the command. I can also set it so only admins can use the command, etc. So anything like that. So let's say I don't want the server stats bot to use the command, which would be quite strange to ban, but you can ban it right there. And I don't want this to be used in my announcement channel. And yeah, let's just set a user cooldown of 1 minute exactly. So you can only use this once a minute, so you don't have too much spam on your Discord server. So yeah, we're gonna just add that right here, and it's added perfectly well. Just make sure it's turned on, and go back to your Discord server, and you're just gonna want to type in !hello, and you get an automatic custom command from the Mee6 bot. Hey, I'm the Mee6 Discord bot. Now if this helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.